How to clear cache on your Snapchat application. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. And first I need to open up Snapchat application. Next I need to click on my profile icon. Then I will get in settings by tapping on this gear. And here I need to scroll down and look for this option calls Clear Cache. Here I can see that there are 256 megabytes. I will tap on it and Snapchat asks me if I really want to clear up all my cache. I will tap here on Clear. Its clearing process appears and Snapchat now needs to restart. I will tap on OK button and then I need to open up Snapchat application again. And let's check how it worked. We'll get in settings again, scroll down, and here I can see that cache of Snapchat is now less than 1 megabyte. Make sure you like this video and see you next time.